What's up guys, I did the 30,000 kilometers service interval, and in this video I will tell you exactly what has been done, what was the process, the pricing, and if it's worth it or not. First service, or first 30,000 kilometers, or first 2 years, is more of a checkover. Nothing really happens in this specific interval, but you have to do that in order to not void your warranty. Be really careful with the technician, because at my dealership, first technician told me that I have to replace the brake fluid too, but the second told that it's okay, the brake fluid can last another year. So technically, engineeringly speaking, you have to replace the brake fluid every 2 years, no matter the number of kilometers. This being said, I proceed to the checkover, and this is the paperwork that was given to me after everything was done. And I'm looking at these measures, and I will put them on the screen too, and I see only general things. You can check the windscreen wipers yourself, you can check the horn, the TPMS, and also you can also change the pollen filter yourself, but if you want to keep your warranty, you have to change the pollen filter at the dealership too. 30,000 kilometers for a pollen filter is a bit too much. I would suggest that you change the pollen filter every 15,000 kilometers, depending on the country that you live in. In Romania, for example, there is a lot of dust, and you will have to replace the pollen filter more often. But if you live in a country like, I don't know, Switzerland, Germany, Austria, you might change that at 30,000 kilometers. Porsche will charge you 190 euros to check everything here, and 80% of what I'm seeing here is just things that can be checked with a diagnostic tool. It might take them 2 hours to complete that, but this is the price that you are paying if you want to own a Porsche. For this 30,000 kilometers, you also have to change the pollen filter, as I've said previously, but the price for this freaking filter is 115 euros. Now, for another car, another Volkswagen car, that will set you up 50 euros at most, but because you have a Porsche, you have to pay the premium too. And I haven't mentioned the fee to replace that actual pollen filter, which will set you up 35 euros just to replace the part. This service cost me 358 euros, but that's a cheap price compared to another offer that I got of 550 euros in Austria. For the exact same things, I would have to pay 550 euros in Austria compared with 360 euros in Romania, VAT included. Why this price gap? The only thing I found was that the area is different. You live in Austria, you pay more. You live in Romania, you pay less. I don't know why, I don't know what's happening, but it's still cheaper to do a service of an electric car compared to a ICE. So Porsche has to get money back somehow. Even the technician told me that this is just a check over, something that it has to be done in order not to void your warranty. And I get to my last question: was this service worth it? Yes, it's worth it. You will not void your warranty. It's great to see if the car has any problems, electronically speaking, and also mechanically, because they check the brake pads too, and they also check other things like the ventilators. If you don't know, this Taycan has some ventilators in the front area, and if you drive in mud, if you drive in tough situations, debris will come into the radiator and the ventilator itself, and it will damage the part. And if the apprentice that will verify this car will tell me that you have to replace the ventilator because it's broken or it's damaged beyond repair, of course. That's it for this video. If you find it informative, please appreciate this video with a like or a dislike, and if you want to see more of this car's journey, please subscribe to this channel because very interesting trips will come in the near future, as I've told you, the Euro trip and also many more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.